Welcome back, Algebra 2 students. This is Mr. Koch. Today is Sunday, April 26th, but I'm talking about week of April 27th. Okay, so I'm recording the videos for this week. I will try to organize my notes better, so I'm attaching videos for 9.6, day 1, day 2, day 3, and day 4. So you could print this, and then I'm just gonna post 4 videos, okay? And I also will post on Google Classroom the plan for the week. So from now on, uh, things will be due for 2 days, like Monday, Tuesday work will be due Wednesday morning, okay? And then Wednesday and Thursday work will be due Friday morning, and then quiz will be on Friday, but now it will be open till 6 p.m. I think yesterday, actually Friday, some of you were confused because it closed at 2 p.m. So I'll try to be more consistent. Again, quiz will be always on Friday, okay? So, all right. So, let's start section 9.6. And the topic is solving exponential equations. All right. Think about this. In Algebra 1, you were doing linear equations, okay? In Algebra 2, we did a lot of quadratic equations. And now finally, end of the school year, we are starting exponential. Why exponential? Did you notice that the variable x is the exponent? So, before we do the notes, let's do the POD. Okay, so if this was normal classroom, you would walk into my class and I would hand in a piece of paper. So, expand the following. Okay, this is very important for today. What happens in question number 1? What happens to the exponent? Power rule means you bring the exponent to the front. So number 1 will be x times log 7. Okay? So please take a minute and do question 2. You can pause this video. I'm not going to wait because I have to finish this within 15 minutes. So number 2, you probably did the same thing, I hope. So you got x plus 4 in parentheses log 8. Okay. Alright, so finally we are ready to start section 9.6, day 1. So I have a nice example for you. Okay, so the objective for today is I can solve exponential equations using logs. Why did we talk about logs and ln last week? Because in science they are actually useful. Okay, so if I give you a problem 2 to the x equals 7, you cannot do this problem without a calculator. Okay, if I asked you 2 to what power equals 9, you know that the answer is, 2 to what power equals 8, you know the answer is 3 because 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8. If I asked you 2 to what power, let me change the example, 5 to what power equals 125, you know that 5 to the third is equal to 125 because 5 times 5 times 5 is equal to 125. So in this example, what do you do? Okay, if I give you a problem 2 to what power equals 7, okay, the inverse operation of exponential is logarithmic. So you take log of both sides. So you put log here, but whatever you do to the left side, do it to the right side. So now your new equation is log 2 to the x power equals log 7. Okay, look at the POD. What happens to the exponent? The exponent goes in the front. So now I got x times log 2 equals log 7. Again, I'm going to repeat myself. X times log 2 equals log 7. And now I want x by itself, so divide both sides by log 2, and now you have to put in the calculator. Okay, do me a favor, take a minute or two, type this in the calculator because it depends what you have. You know, if you have TI-83, it may operate differently. If you have a different calculator, I don't know what you have in front of you, you know, you make sure you get the answer. Now, On TI-83, because I have it in front of me right now, and I'm going to actually test it. Okay, let me just see what I have to do. Log 7 divided by log 2. Okay, so on TI-83 or TI-84, that's what I have in front of me. You type it this way: log parentheses 7. You have to close parentheses divided by log 2. And if I press enter, I get 2.807 if I round to 3 decimal places. Again, please check your own calculator. Beautiful. Now let's go to 4 or 5 examples I prepared for you. Example number 1. Woohoo! 7 to what power is equal to 100? Okay, 7 to the second. If x was 2, the answer would be 49. If x was 3, 7 times 7 times 7, let me double check it quickly, is equal to 343. So 2 is too small, 3 is too big. So the answer will be 2 point something. Please remember, good students always predict. They always check the answer. I'm a teacher and I make mistakes. But then if I look at my answer, I'm like, something is wrong. So you are expecting to get something between 2 and 3. Step 1. Take log of the left side and take log of the right side. So now I have this: log 7 to the x equals log 100. A few minutes ago I said power rule, the exponent goes here. So I get x times log 7 is equal to log of 100. Now your job is to get x by itself. Now this is x times log 7. So in mathematics, what's the inverse operation of multiplication? Division. Divide by log 7. Divide by log 7. So in your calculator, please type this. Okay, and I will do it as well. You may pause this video, as I said. Okay, if you are not following me, pause, replay, do whatever you have to do. Log 100 divided by log 7, and to 2 decimal places, x is equal to 2.367. If you want to check your answer, please raise 7 to 2.367 power and you will get something really close to 100. I think it will be slightly above because I rounded up. Okay? So pause the video, take a minute, try number 2. Okay, please pause the video and try it. And imagine the minute pass by and I will just do it. But again, I can't wait for you because my video will be too long and I will have difficulties uploading it. So number 2, okay, 16 to 0 power is 1, 16 to first power is 16, 16 to second power will be way above 21. So there has to be, the answer is above 1. First thing, take log of this side, log 16k equals log 21. K goes in the front. That's the power rule that you learned last week. So now you get k times log 16 equals log 21. What's your final step? Divide by log 16, divide by log 16. So in your calculator, please type log 21 divided by log 16. Okay? So log 21 divided by log 16. The answer is approximately 1.0 0.098. 0.098. Now, if you want to check your work, okay, let me just squeeze the work. Check. If you do 16 raised to 1.098, let me check it. I will get really something close to 21, okay? Promise you. 16 raised to 1.098. I got 20.995. Okay, and again, it's slightly below 21 because I rounded down. Isn't it beautiful stuff? Very, very exciting. Okay, I hope you feel the same way. It's a really good. It's a lesson that you are learning how to solve exponential equations. All right, 11 minutes. I think example number 3 will be the last one, even though I had 4, but probably I won't fit it in this video. Okay, so example number 3. It's a little bit different because your exponent now is negative 4n. So you do take log of this side and log of this side. So your new equation will be log 9 raised to negative 4n is equal to log 20. Same rule, this goes in the front. So you get negative 4n log of base 10 9 is equal to log 20. Okay, now what is your next step? Your next step is to divide by log 9 divided by log 9. So this cancels, so on the left side you get negative 4n equals, and if you put this in the calculator, okay, let's see what I get. I get log 20 divided by log 9. I get 1.363. 1.363. So now this is now a simple algebra 1 equation. How do I get n by itself? Divide by negative 4. So if you divide by negative 4, my answer is approximately n is equal to negative 3.41 if I round. Negative 341. Okay, so please take good notes here and try number 4 as well. As I said, I'm not going to finish it because the video will be too long and there will be homework. So then use the same PDF file for day 2, day 3, day 4. So that way you organized, okay? So for homework, please submit the video and do the worksheet. And period 7, see you tomorrow. Sorry, today is Sunday, okay? But see you on Monday for your Google Meet, required. And period 8, I will see you on Tuesday. And the second Google Meet is optional, okay? Thank you very much and enjoy your weekend or week, whatever. I don't know when you're watching this. Bye-bye.